Hi, it's Fawn, and I'm here to share some of my favorite products on Amazon that we use with our Ikonart stencils. First of all, you can't use your Ikonart stencils if you don't make them. The Ikonart Custom Stencil Kit is available on Amazon. It comes with everything you need to make your own stencils, including $190 worth of free artwork from Sofancy. Our textile add-on bundle is also on Amazon. Pair this with the Ikonart kit for the perfect DIY starter screen printing kit. Now let's talk about the products we use to make Ikonart stencils.
First up is our printer. We use the Canon Pixma IX6820 along with Arthur Imaging inks.
For exposure, of course, we use our exposure stand, but I also always use the Bistron remote along with the Oveki timer to expose. For washout, I linked a couple different faucet options to increase your water pressure. And then we also like to use this 12x18 speedball frame, especially for our larger stencils. Drying your stencils doesn't have to be complicated. You can just let them air dry. But if you want to speed up the process, you can use a film dryer or a food dehydrator. After your stencils are made, you're going to want to use them. And we have a few Amazon recommendations for that too. If you're using torch paste, we recommend the Seek 1 heat gun and sealing with a food safe oil. So if you're doing cutting boards or something like that, you can seal with an oil like this. If you're doing shirts, we recommend heat setting them. You can use a regular household iron, of course, but Cricut also has a line of easy presses. We have the mini, but they also have the large. We have both of those linked. And let's not forget mediums. We sell a selection of mediums on our website, inks, paints to use with the Ikonart stencils, but there's also a great selection on Amazon. You can use anything that's water-based. A few that we have linked are, of course, torch paste for wood burning, Etchall for etching glass. Speedball has a line of glow-in-the-dark and also fluorescent inks on Amazon. Folk Art chalk paint works great for wood signs. Deco Art multi-surface comes in a wide variety of colors on Amazon. We also have our empty containers linked that we use, so if you make your own chalk paste, you can store it in these nice glass containers that have the little top. And then, of course, Unicorn Spit is also on Amazon. These make some beautiful backgrounds for our stencils, and also you can mix it with their stencil powder to make chalk paste as well. And finally, let's talk about blanks or surfaces. There's a ton of different blank surfaces on Amazon that you can use with Ikonart stencils, but here are just a few that we have linked on our Amazon recommendations page. First of all, wood blanks. We have these bamboo cutting boards linked. They're great for wood burning. We also have wood coasters and other wood blanks linked as well. For glass, I love these soda can glasses. And then, of course, beer mugs are always fun to etch as well. You can use etching cream or paint on these. We also have glass coasters linked, or glass blank flat blanks that can be easily turned into coasters or just decorative pieces. For mugs, we have some coffee mugs linked, and then also some enamel metal mugs. And then, of course, fabrics. There's lots of blank fabrics out there, shirts, sweatshirts. We have some onesies linked, some tea towels, and just a selection of shirts. So lots of blank options out there. So that was just a quick roundup of some of our favorite Amazon products to use with Ikonart and make your crafting life easier. Let us know what your favorite crafting products are from Amazon in the comments.